Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys, pakita mo yung dimple mo. So guys, this is the finished look using only 3 items. So if you want to know more about how I achieved this look, well, please keep on watching.
What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video guys, gusto ko lang i-share yung aking everyday makeup routine. Ito yung eksaktong ginagawa ko nung mga panahon na pumapasok ako sa office, and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga products na ginagamit ko dahil subok ko na sila. Kung ikaw yung tulad ko na gusto minimal look lang, as much as possible, konti lang yung products na gagamitin sa ating face, well, this video is for you, so please keep on watching. Gamitin ko lang tong wipes. Ito, ang current look ng aking face. This is my bare face.
Then guys, after cleansing, I'll proceed with applying my favorite moisturizer. Then guys, gagamit naman ako nitong concealer from Maybelline in the shade Sand. Ito yung first time na gagamit ako ng concealer guys, because more on lip tint, mascara, and then sunscreen lang ako. Pero dahil marami tayong dark areas na dapat takpan, let's do this. Guys, makwento ko lang, nahirapan ako sa paghanap ng perfect shade ko sa concealer, lalo na ngayong quarantine kasi bawal ang mga swatches. So kung tingin nyo ka-shade nyo ako, again, ang shade nito is Sand. Ang gamit ko pala guys na sponge is from Watsons, and ang ganda ng sponge na to, hindi niya nakakain yung product na nilalagay ko sa aking face.
I'll proceed with curling my lashes using this eyelash curler from Nichido. Ito guys yung pinaka-favorite ko. Na-try ko na yung EB, na-try ko na din yung Fashion 21. Ito yung nagkasya or nagfi-fit sa aking eye. So, matagal na to sa akin, kaya mare-recommend ko to sa inyo guys.
Then guys, ito na ang time para maglagay ng ating mascara, and I'm going to use this mascara from Maybelline. Maganda rin guys gamitin yung sa Avon na mascara, pero naubusan ako. Kayo ba guys, ano yung favorite mascara nyo? I-share nyo naman sa comment section para ma-share natin sa iba. And guys, ito yung proud ako na i-share sa inyo, ang paggamit ng mascara sa ating kilay. Guys, hindi ako marunong magkilay using pencil, pero kapag ito yung ginagamit ko, nadadalian ako, plus it will give you natural look sa ating mga brows. And guys, here's the result of using mascara sa ating lashes and sa ating kilay. And guys, it's lip tint time, and gagamitin ko siya sa aking lips and also sa aking cheeks. Let's go! Guys, alam nyo bang ang tagal na nito sa aking lip tint na to, and ito yung binabalik-balikan ko na nabibili lang sa Watsons, tapos mura, and then maganda pa yung color payoff. Kaya naman guys, super mare-recommend ko tong Everbilena in the shade Uptown Red. Ito kasing shade na to may pagka-red siya and konti lang yung hit ng pink. We're done guys, and ito ang current look using concealer, mascara, and lip tint in light application. Now guys, kung gusto nyong gawing extra ang look na to, dagdagan lang natin ng lip tint and it will give you a different look. Super ganda talaga nitong lip tint na to and I highly recommend it. Remember guys na ginamit natin tong lip tint na to as a tint and a blush. So sulit na sulit. And here's the final look guys, using only 3 products.
That's all for today guys, and I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo sa pagde-decide kung ano ang bibilihin nyo next time na magpunta kayo sa Watsons. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll surely reply as soon as I can. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!
What we do here is go back.
Loud.